Open Download Manager and you will see GPX group buttons. Press Build Path button. This will open Google Maps with your location. Let's create route with standard Google Maps tools. Now you just need copy link from your browser. Now open special resource for convert link to GPX file. Save GPX file to your hard disk drive. Press load GPX file and choose your file into Cinema 4D. You will see GPX file as spline object. Now you must align this spline. Switch to the top view and move and scale this spline. For better placement you can download Roads Mask. Now you must connect this spline to Terrain Builder Setup. Open special tab named Routes. Drag and drop spline to special input field. Now your spline generate the new route on terrain mesh. You can also correct spline position at any time. Now let's create animation. You will see presets icon paint route. DB route setup contain many different parameters for create unique path. Also you can optimize spline if it contains too many points. Also we prepare for you many different icons, will be add new in the future. You will see that icon animated already along the way. You can control this process from special curve editor. If you want you can offset position icon and use look at camera option. Now add another GPX track, let's repeat all process. Open second route slot and connect to TB setup. All route can be adjusted and animated separately. Also you can use C4D spline tools for create route inside the program. Connect it to free slot, but remember for better results spline must be subdivided. You can adjust spline points if you want. But all point transformation must be an XZ surface. Also, you can add simple custom object and icons on terrain mesh. Open TB Setup and duplicate the null object. This object contains many different settings like we have seen before. You can add any counts of this objects to the map. You can use custom mesh instead of any icons. We created 5 slots for you, but in a future we will increase this amount.